Hello viewers, you can see the one simple algorithm with machine learning base image filtering using mean filter, just like a machine learning algorithm. The mean filter is using a blur effect when image remove to the executive in noise. It determine the mean of the pixels with the you can see the method n by n means number of number. You can see I will already open my terminal. You can see the program name is filter. Okay, python filter dot py. Here our original image. You can see the mean filter. uh, let's go the thought of the filtering using the mean filter method. I will start important all libraries. You can see the just like an numpy's computer vision and PIL means pillow library to image filter. So you can see the explore the image filtering techniques in machine learning. A lot of machine learning technique. So it is very simple and basic main filter algorithm. It you can test it yourself. Uh, Link in description. Any type of confusion, any type of you want to know updates to comment down, and please support our channel for more getting information updates.